Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply Instagram ads video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of making the most out of Instagram advertising. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate Instagram ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 22 HD training videos organized into 5 sections. This is exactly what you're going to learn. Section 1, Instagram Ads Basics. In videos 1 through 3, we'll talk about what is Instagram and why use it for your business, what are Instagram ads all about, and what ad solutions is actually Instagram offering. Section 2, Setting Things Up. In videos 4 through 7, we'll talk about what you should do right before creating Instagram ads, setting up Facebook and Instagram for advertising, image tips for Instagram ads, and video tips for Instagram ads. Section 3, Creating Ad Campaigns, step by step. In videos 8 through 15, we'll talk about boosting your posts, increasing brand awareness, increasing your reach, sending people to a destination on or off Facebook, getting installs of your app, getting video views, increasing conversions on your website, and promoting a product catalog. Section 4, Advanced Instagram Ads Strategies. In videos 16 through 19, we'll talk about testing everything, driving Instagram engagement using video content, using authentic social influencers to tell the story of your brand, and using hashtags. Section 5, Additional Tips to Consider. In videos 20 through 22, we'll talk about premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to dominate Instagram ads on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.